Live in the heart of the action in this beautiful, bright and spacious third-floor corner condo. Steps from Colley Avenue and all of Ghent's venues. Character abounds: high ceilings, French doors, crown and chair molding, wood floors, huge windows, original Butler's pantry, original tub and tiles in bath, pedestal sinks, etc. Great floor plan. Enter through formal foyer which opens to living room or hall. Updates include replacement windows, recently renovated kitchen with granite, new white cabinetry, washer/dryer and appliances. Huge master. Large semi-walk-in closets. Back fire escape to outdoor commons, courtyard with lighted deck area,